In an era where data is the new oil, understanding its intricacies is not just beneficial, it's imperative. Data science, the beacon of the 21st century, beckons to those who seek to decode the language of data. But what does it truly take to become a data scientist? Join us on an exciting journey through this dynamic field. Discover practical insights and strategies for conquering its challenges and unlocking the abundant rewards it holds. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that uses scientific methods, processes, algorithms, and systems to extract knowledge and insights from structured and unstructured data. It integrates computer science, statistics, and domain expertise to turn data into actionable insights. The term data science has been around since the early 1960s but gained prominence in the tech boom of the early 21st century, as businesses and institutions began to recognize the value of big data. The demand for professionals skilled in interpreting this data surged, marking the rise of the data scientist as a key player in organizational success. In today's data-driven world, the importance of data science cannot be overstated. It enables businesses to make informed decisions based on empirical evidence, thus enhancing operational efficiency, driving innovation, and increasing market competitiveness. For instance, data science has revolutionized healthcare by predicting disease outbreaks, personalizing treatment plans, and improving patient outcomes. Similarly, in retail, data analytics helps companies understand consumer behavior, optimize supply chains, and enhance customer experiences, illustrating the broad impact of data science across various sectors. The job market for data scientists has been flourishing, with an increasing number of companies across diverse industries seeking to leverage data-driven strategies. According to recent studies, the demand for data science professionals is expected to grow by 28% by 2026, reflecting the critical role they play in organizational success. This growth is not just limited to tech companies, but spans across sectors like healthcare, finance, and government, highlighting the versatility and demand for data science skills in the modern economy. Data science without a degree. Breaking into the field of data science without a traditional degree is challenging but not impossible. Many successful data scientists have paved their way through self-study, boot camps, and online courses that offer practical, hands-on experience. Success stories, such as those of self-taught data scientists who have climbed the ranks at tech giants like Google and Facebook, inspire many. These stories underscore the importance of skill and determination over formal education in the data science landscape. Why learn Python? Python's simplicity and readability make it an ideal first language for aspiring data scientists, while its vast array of libraries and frameworks like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow extend its functionality to nearly every aspect of data science. Comparatively, while languages like R are also popular in data analytics, Python's versatility and the robustness of its libraries make it the preferred choice for data manipulation, machine learning, and complex data analysis, ensuring its place as a cornerstone in the data science toolkit. Marketing yourself as a data scientist. In the competitive field of data science, standing out requires more than just technical skills. A solid resume that highlights real-world data projects, a strong online presence through blogs or tutorials, and a professional network are all crucial. Tips for crafting a powerful resume include focusing on quantifiable achievements in past roles, such as the implementation of models that increased revenue or reduced costs, which demonstrate the real-world impact of your skills and knowledge. Choosing Python as a programming language isn't just a random choice. Its design philosophy emphasizes code readability, allowing programmers to express concepts in fewer lines of code than possible in languages such as C++ or Java. Moreover, Python's extensive libraries, like scikit-learn for machine learning, matplotlib for plotting charts, and others, make it an invaluable tool for data scientists. These libraries are continuously updated and maintained by a vibrant community, contributing to Python's standing as the lingua franca of data science. Networking is a critical component of career success in data science. A well-crafted LinkedIn profile that showcases your projects, skills, and endorsements can significantly enhance your visibility to potential employers. Joining study groups and online communities can also provide support, facilitate learning, and open up opportunities for collaboration and employment. These platforms allow budding data scientists to exchange ideas, share resources, and bolster their understanding through peer learning. Python libraries are integral to performing complex data analysis and machine learning tasks efficiently. Libraries like Pandas for data manipulation, NumPy for numerical data, and TensorFlow for machine learning operations are essentials in a data scientist's toolbox. Learning these libraries involves understanding their architecture and functionality, which can be achieved through documentation, tutorials, and practical application on real-world data sets. This mastery is crucial for enhancing efficiency and productivity in data science projects. The debate between free and paid learning resources is significant in data science education. Free resources, such as MOOCs, massive open online courses, and community forums, provide accessible learning paths to many. However, they often lack the personalized guidance and structured learning path provided by paid courses. On the other hand, paid courses usually offer a more comprehensive curriculum, hands-on projects, and professional mentorship, which can be crucial for beginners needing detailed guidance and feedback. One of the best ways to learn data science is by doing. Starting with small projects like data cleaning and visualization and gradually moving to more complex problems involving machine learning models helps in building confidence and skill. Project ideas include predicting stock prices, analyzing customer feedback, or even building a recommendation system. These projects not only enhance learning but also add significant value to your portfolio, attracting potential employers. Books are an invaluable resource for learning data science. Titles such as Data Science from Scratch by Joel Gruss provide beginners with a solid foundation in the fundamentals, while Pattern Recognition and Machine Learning by Christopher Bishop is suited for those seeking advanced knowledge. These books complement hands-on projects and courses by providing detailed explanations and broader context, enriching the learner's understanding and skills in data science. Transitioning to machine learning. Machine learning is a natural progression from data science, focusing on building systems that learn from and make decisions based on data. An understanding of data science fundamentals is crucial before stepping into machine learning. Basics such as regression, classification, and clustering are foundational machine learning techniques that data scientists should master. These skills open up numerous possibilities in areas like AI development and predictive analytics. Optional skills for data scientists. Apart from core skills, data scientists benefit from knowledge in areas like cloud computing, big data technologies, and even soft skills like effective communication and project management. These competencies help in managing large-scale data projects and communicating findings effectively to stakeholders. Continual learning and adaptation to new tools and technologies are essential traits for a data scientist, given the rapid evolution of the field. Learning about Git and GitHub. Understanding version control systems like Git is fundamental for any data scientist. Git allows for efficient collaboration and version tracking of projects, essential in a dynamic field like data science. GitHub, a platform for hosting Git repositories, is also a valuable tool for showcasing your work to potential employers and collaborators, acting as a portfolio of your technical skills. Pause 5. There are numerous online resources for learning data science, from blogs like Towards Data Science to platforms like Kaggle, where users can participate in competitions and collaborate on various data projects. These platforms provide both learning opportunities and the ability to apply skills in practical settings, which is invaluable in building a career in data science. Resources like these allow continuous learning and skill enhancement, which are crucial for keeping up with the latest developments in this ever-evolving field. This video was brought to you by Workplace Watchdog. At Workplace Watchdog, we are committed to empowering voices, promoting transparency, and driving meaningful change. Whether you've experienced workplace injustice or share our passion for ethical practices, we invite you to join our cause. Together, we can advocate for fairness, support the pursuit of truth, and work towards a world where every workplace is a realm of respect and integrity. Join us on this journey to elevate workplace standards and champion a culture of accountability and ethical conduct. Let's unite to make a difference and create a safer, more just working environment for all. To learn more, visit us at workplacewatchdog.org. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching.